Did you know that every year in India, 23 million girls drop out of school when they start menstruating? Yes, 23 million. Hi, my name is Ananya. I'm a 14-year-old student in National Public School in Diranagar and a 1M1B future leader. My project, Project Pragati, aims to reduce menstruation-related school absenteeism and dropouts among rural adolescent girls by spreading awareness about menstruation and supporting the use of eco-friendly menstrual hygiene products. Even today, menstruation remains a biological event shrouded in mystery and taboo, not to be spoken about openly. Girls are unaware of the biological changes happening within their own bodies when they get their first period. Parents and teachers refrain from talking about this topic because of the large superstition and taboo surrounding it. This lack of awareness, coupled with the lack of basic sanitation facilities, causes girls to skip school or drop out completely. Such girls are then married off, causing these superstitions to carry forward across generations. I wanted to do something to break this chain. Firstly, I realized that I would have to collect data directly from the girls that I was hoping to impact in the form of telephonic interviews and surveys. I collected data from around 75 girls in rural Gujarat so as to get a better understanding into the issues faced by them. I also spoke to the sarpanch of 3 villages in the area, which gave me more valuable insights into their lives. I then conducted 4 awareness sessions in rural Gujarat, where I educated around 250 girls in all. I have created an easy to understand curriculum in the local language Gujarati, which I used to educate the girls. While I expected a very hostile environment, as this is a very sensitive topic for them to talk about, the girls warmed up to me almost immediately, and this was very heartwarming. Some of them even stayed back to individually ask me questions about their period that they were uncomfortable asking their parents or teachers. I also distributed more than 1,000 compostable sanitary napkins to them, as well as left some with the school to be distributed whenever the need arises. The first challenge that I came across in my project was the impact of regular sanitary napkins on the earth. Regular sanitary napkins are usually made of 97% plastic and thus take up to 500 years to degrade. This has adverse effects on the environment. Cloth pads were not a viable option for me either, as the rural girls had no means of maintaining them hygienically. Menstrual cups were too expensive for them as well as not socially acceptable. Then I found eco-friendly, single-use, compostable sanitary napkins that are made of 100% natural materials such as straw, cotton and bamboo fibers. These pads degrade or turn into compost in a mere 3 to 4 months. So I decided to distribute these pads as a part of my project. I have also created a website which displays all the relevant information regarding my project. I have created a fundraiser to help support the sanitary needs of these girls. As of today, I have raised over 3 lakh rupees. So far, my project has been going very well and has gained good traction. However, to reach an even larger amount of people, I plan on expanding my awareness sessions to an online platform. Very quickly, I realized that social media is a very important platform, not only to spread awareness about the issue, but also to gain traction for my project. I have started Instagram and Twitter pages with the handle project_pragati, where I have been constantly spreading awareness about menstruation. My journey as a future leader in 1M1B has taught me not only how to handle failure and criticism, but to take it head on and use it as a learning experience. Because of the Future Leaders program, I have grown immeasurably, not only as a leader, but as a person too. Through my experience with collecting data as well as holding the awareness sessions for the girls, I have found that menstruation, even today, remains a taboo and people are scared to talk about it. Even today, menstruation remains one of the main reasons for schoolgirls' absenteeism and dropouts. This has to change because a girl cannot forego her education just because of a natural biological process happening within her body. Pragati means progress, and that is exactly what I intend to do. Put these girls on the path towards progress. We all must work together, hand in hand, to destigmatize menstruation and talk about it openly. Only then can this progress be achieved. Thank you.